Yeah, several different ideas here. Mixed measurement system, revaluation is one issue. Yeah, deferred tax is another issue, and the framework is a third issue. So let me try and keep it simple at the beginning. So let's just recap on the facts. Let's keep it simple as we did right at the very beginning. You buy an asset, PPE, let's say you buy it for 100. When you revalue it to 120, there'll be a gain of 20, which is not currently taxable. So you have a taxable temporary difference, and you have a deferred tax liability. This is the law. This is the accounting standard. When an asset is revalued, there is a taxable temporary difference. There is a deferred tax liability. That's what the standard says. That is the technically correct answer. So when an asset is revalued, there is a taxable temporary difference. The carrying value of the asset goes up, the tax base remains the same, so you have a taxable temporary difference and a deferred tax liability. Now the framework defines a liability as a present obligation. A present obligation arising as a result of a past event, the settlement of which will result in an outflow of economic benefits. So the definition of a liability, according to the framework, is that you have a present obligation, as a result of a past event, which is going to result in an outflow of economic benefits. Both of these are correct. I say 12, you must provide for deferred tax liability on a revaluation, and the framework defines a liability as a present obligation as a result of a past transactions or event, the settlement of which will result in an outflow of economic benefits. Right, I need to slow down, I need to calm down. I'm still got the effects of that Starbucks pumping through me. When do you pay the tax? If you revalue an asset, there's no current tax liability. The liability is deferred. But what will cause you to pay the tax? When will you pay the tax, having revalued an asset? Correct, yes, when it's sold. So you will, when you revalue an asset, there's no current tax liability. The tax liability will only be due when you sell the asset. Yeah? When you revalue the asset, are you under an obligation to sell the asset?